ingenuity, the blend of intelligence, originality, and being inventive. This is what we're all about at Dreamchasers-interactive. We don't like run-of-the-mill concepts. We have been in the industry for over 17 years, developing front-running and innovative interactive concepts and technical solutions that our competitors can only imitate. We've always set benchmarks for the interactive world in Singapore and have been the first to build many wild and crazy experiences. We recently expanded into the gaming industry with a team of talented developers building games for PCs, consoles, mobiles and VR. By chance, we came across the E3 exhibition tender sometime last year, and after a brainstorming session, instead of conventional video mapping, we proposed to map the environment using real-time engine. Our proposal, being both original and innovative, was overwhelmingly liked and accepted, and we were tasked to embark on the project. Coincidentally, it seems that Epic Engines embarked on a same-nature project at the same time, and it took us a longer time to completely implement the whole exhibition, as it included many components. The whole Immersive Experience exhibition offers an interactive 360 hall projection consisting of AI-controlled animals that roam about freely within weather and time cycles. The 360 environment itself is a section featuring a virtual firefighting game that lets you learn about the dangers of a forest fire at the same time as having fun fighting fire with a hydrant. It also has a binoculars exhibit that lets you view up close and learn about the animals roaming about in the virtual forest. Then there is an interactive river projection with interactive fish, water splashes as you walk past them, fishes running away from where you tread. Lastly, the main feature of the exhibition is a short VR adventure that uses OmniVirtuix and Leap Motion sensors to further immerse visitors in a virtual world. This exhibit allows visitors to walk in a VR cavern and solve puzzles to find a way out of being trapped in the dungeon.
Hi, my name is Magius and I'm the creative director of Dreamchasers-interactive.
My name is Kwa. I'm the programmer at Dreamchasers-interactive.
My name is Ken, a software developer.
My name is Justin and I'm from Vietnam, Dreamchasers-interactive Vietnam. I'm a developer and also a general manager. So I'm here with my team to work on the project for the Science Center for E3.
So hop on down to the Science Center and enjoy this immersive experience today.